Welcome back to Carteret Mobile Park. We're here today with a brand new house that arrived. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath at lot F2. Come on in, let's take a look. What do you think? Isn't this spectacular? This is a Redmond home that we built in one of our manufactured home communities. And what we did here is the canoe birch cabinetry with the really cute little skirt around it. And then I really like it. It really sets it off. And I don't know the name of this counter, but come close and take a look at the design. It looks like granite. It's really, really pretty. So the glass tile is a new feature that Redmond's offering, and this is a green tile. I think the next house we're gonna order in blue. Let's see what that looks like. So this is all wood cabinetry with these beautiful European pools. And in here you have adjustable shelving. So that's a bonus. Great hinges, really, really elegant look. Over here you have their new farm sink. I'm gonna put my glasses away for a minute so I can use both hands to show you this fabulous stainless steel farm sink. It's enormous. And it has so many pieces, a beautiful cutting board, and this wire rack, and then this colander for veggies or whatever else you need to drain. And then in the bottom, this is as big as a baby's bathtub. Look at that. So you've got this perfect grid to protect your stainless steel and your dishes. And you've got your spout. It's a beautiful electric elastic cord with this, new look of the farm sink and the more mechanical look, it seems like the kitchens are going with nowadays. Got a great little window, and your balances in the shade stay. And then over here we have your Whirlpool stove and microwave. So it's a 4-appliance package in the kitchen. Well, let me put this away while we're still here so we can make it really pretty. If you've watched other videos that I've done, you know I really like to keep things really pretty. I think it really appeals to people when they see something of beauty, and it makes them, it just resonates with their soul. So let's take a look at the rest of the house. In this area you have a back door. It's a 9-light cottage, and you've got your electric box here. Back here you've got your laundry room area, again all wood cabinetry, and this is called the canoe birch. And this side's adjustable and this side's solid so that you can put your taller items, or you can actually get shelving afterwards. So here you got a little bar and you can hang up your drip dry, and here you would put your washer and dryer. It's a great setup. So the bathroom, I'm gonna have you go in by yourself because it's smaller. And this is like I said, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and this is a fiberglass bathtub. It's a 1-piece unit. It's so easy to clean. And we added the transom window, and you've got a cosmetic box above the commode. It's a great little feature. Everybody loves that. And then of course, this is a great, we reflected the kitchen counter here. So, and you've got LED lighting, but we forgot the light bulbs. So we'll do that the next time around. So here's one of the bedrooms, and you've got bypass closet doors, and you've got the wire racking. In this corner, you've got your hot water heater. Great room. This is an all linoleum house. We gotta get the guys to adjust that. This house just arrived on Friday, so we still have some things we have to do to get the house ready for a sale. But you've got this fabulous linoleum floor throughout. Vinyl flooring, I should say. Linoleum is the name brand. And this has got like that stamped concrete look. So this makes it easy to clean up, and I haven't had my cleaning lady here yet, but we'll do that too. You've got a beautiful fan in the living room, and you've got your cable-ready jack there. So over here you have your furnace, and it's a Miller furnace, and your central air conditioning works through that too. So this is gas. Propane gas here. And this is the other bedroom, a little bit smaller, so it could be a great little den or a visitor's guest room. Window on the front side, bypass closet doors, wire racking, and here we had the bedrooms papered the beautiful neutral color so that you could make it your own. So let's go in the kitchen and we'll wrap it up. So take a look at the kitchen one more time. It really stands out. This house is very appealing. It's very modern and sleek looking, and we're really thrilled to be a part of it. So the way to purchase a house like this is to email me, info@dolanhomes.com. You can check out our website, myhomeincarteret.com, and see what else we have for sale and what else we'll be building very soon. So join our mailing list and then answer our 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then you can get an in-person tour. It's a little tricky now with the coronavirus, so we're gonna have to figure out how to do that, but we're happy to work with our eager buyers. I never expected that people would be still looking to purchase a house, but I guess everybody's home and looking at their options, and we seem to be a great option. This is Carteret, New Jersey, in the heart of Middlesex County. Carteret, the town, will be soon creating a ferry to go into Manhattan, and we're less expensive than all the luxury apartments nearby, and we're between the Turnpike and the Parkway and the hospitals and the universities. It's a great location, and there's actually a bus from here to the downtown of Carteret, and then you could take a bus right into the city, or you can drive over to Rahway and take the train into New York City. So we've got a lot of New York City people looking at us from Staten Island and Brooklyn, and we're happy to have you make your home here in Carteret, New Jersey. Thank you for stopping in, and make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Anyone looking for a fabulous manufactured home, we're here to help you meet your American dream, have your dreams come true. Thanks again for stopping in. We really appreciate it.